Let's build a simple music player in Godot with playback time control. You'll need a label, an H slider, an audio player, and an MP3 file. Set the slider's min and max values from 0 to 1 with a step of 0.001. Add your music to the audio player and let it autoplay when the game starts. Next, attach a new GD script. Drag all elements into the script, including the MP3. Create 3 variables: dragging, music position, and music length. Write a function called getConvertedTime. This will turn seconds into a human-friendly timestamp. On the H slider, connect the drag start signal. Set dragging to true. Then connect drag end. Calculate the time from the slider value and total length. Tell the audio player to jump to that time and set dragging back to false. In ready, get the total length of the MP3. In process, update the label to show current time and total length. Also update the slider value, but only when not dragging. You don't want actions interrupting each other. That's why the slider won't update while it's being dragged. Now click Run. The music plays. Drag the slider, and it works smoothly.